All right. Suntech Eats. Let's go. You're lost? So am I. It's all good. It's all part of the fun. Kit Kat over Butterfinger. Are we talking about what candy bars we like? So the scan, like, so it's a vaccine pass? It's like a tracker. Yeah, I know. This is a wholesome stream? Don't make fun of your guests. Oh!
This
Yes.
place it sells choo-choo porridge.
Ooh!
You know, like porridge and everything. So because in Singapore there's a lot of people who are choo-choo, so they like this kind of porridge, like Chinese porridge.
That looks nice.
But this is not the place I would be.
Okay. Kit Kat, Bounty, Snickers. Yeah, it's a tracker. It's to like, it's COVID for COVID. I don't know how to explain it. Maybe someone in chat could explain what the app thing is. Yeah. Yeah, very. Ooh, cute. What's in front of us? Sanrio character shop chat. The #1 wings in America, but we're not in America. That's like a lie. Is that like the name of the place? Maybe Wingstop.
It's called Giant. Wait.
Oh, I think I know Giant.
Of course I know Giant.
Yeah. Hello Kitty.
Of course you know Giant. That's the size you like.
I should have seen that coming, chat. I should have seen that coming. Oh, it smells like soup, chat. Yeah, you have to be vaccinated to enter and eat inside. Oh, the tea place looks good. Ooh, avocado. I always wanted to try that.
May I know, like, where are all these people from? Where are all you guys from? Oh yeah, tea, like
Auntie Anne, the pretzel. Oh! Oh! We're like right under the fountain wealth thingy. Can you guys see, or is the reflection? Yeah. Sorry, just wanted to. Sorry. So you guys are from the Netherlands, Korea, Dubai, Pennsylvania, Finland, Arizona, Chicago, Virginia, Michigan,
you're from
Brisbane.
Dubai, the fuck?
Yeah.
So, this is the place that I want to bring you. Like,
oh my god, yes!
Like, this arcade is usually open until like 11 p.m., 1 a.m. That's really.
Oh, you guys, that's so exciting! Kiara knows. Ooh! Oh my god. All the shiny places. Ooh! And I have my shoulder mount chat so we can like play two-hand. So I can play properly. San Diego, Sweden, Hawaii, Uganda, UK, Germany. Belgium, Panama, Italy. Oh boy.
Okay, wait. Have you eaten like bakute before?
The what?
Bakute. You ever eaten?
I'm not sure. I recognize the name of the place. I'm not sure if I've ever tried it before though.
Pork ribs like with so, but it's like. You wanna try?
Is there a vegetarian pork ribs?
Oh, also
I'm sorry, Kiara.
it's okay. Like,
I know. That's the thing. There's a few like
I forgot your.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
Sorry, chat. No porks for me. No pork for you. No soup for you. Any like boomers in chat understand the reference? Sorry. Yes, chat. If you're new, hi, Warsman. How are you? If you're new here, I'm a vegetarian. I should not be apologetic about it. It is what it is. It is what I am.
Easier for you to.
Sure. Okay. Food Republic.
I mean, it's good that I'm here that because I will eat a non-vegetarian and show them.
Okay,
and you
great.
eat your,
Good.
you know,
Get some non-veggie content for
and then
once.
you eat like the veggie content.
Nice. Oh yeah, another scan, another app scan thingy. No nations or borders, just
it's
food.
a full like vegetarian food, but you can like look around and see.
Yeah, because it looks like there's things from it. Oh, I see already a Chinese vegetarian place straight ahead, for example. So it'll be easy. Thank you. So it's like a hawker style chat, like food stands from different things, and then you sit in the middle.
I'll get a table, and then you can bring the chair around first, okay?
Sure. Okay. All right. Well, first see. Yeah. So, Kiara will be our chop. That's my new Singlish word, by the way, Kiara. My new Singlish word when you chop the table.
Like you chop the table?
Chop.
Yes. You put a tissue paper.
I like just learned that word like 3 days ago. Is here okay or?
I mean, if you're okay,
Yeah. Sure.
you can just take the chair over and then you put the chair over.
It's my chop. Very fancy. Okay.
I'll rest for a while.
Okay. All right, let's go around. You okay? Okay. All right. I put my Rose and Kiara on the table. Okay. Let's see. Scrambled egg, pork, rice, Kailan beef. Oh, there's beef. There has to be. Oh no, here. Wait. Where was the veggie? I think the veggie place was here. I think she's a bit lethargic. She just had her booster shot earlier this morning. Vegetable rice. Is everything veggie? Oh, okay. So you can get like veg, egg, bean curd, or you can get your chicken or your pork options, which looks really good. Japanese waifu. No, not waifu. Sorry, wafu, Japanese cuisine. Haha. Sorry. Some more like stir-fried wok stuff. Sorry, I literally, I didn't even do that on purpose. Handmade noodles. Ooh, handmade noodles. Formosa handmade. Pumpkin noodle soup. Is there anything veggie? Because that actually looks really, really good. Do you want like a nice noodle soup, like warm, a free waifu with every order? Maybe, chat. Maybe this will be sesame oil. Those are all, ooh, sea stewed mushroom noodle. Oh, that looks really good. Who likes mushroom in chat? Because I know mushroom is like either or for some people, so. Spicy noodle soup. Tofu, yeah, those tofu stalls. I already had some tofu today. I don't know, stewed mushroom noodles sounds really good. Is it a soup though? Maybe I can ask the uncle. Wait. Is it one of those places where you need to like have a card? Do you know what I mean? You're not a fan? See, I think it's either you love them or you don't. Love them or hate them. Nothing in between, you know? It's a popular place, I think. The tomato noodle soup looks really good too. Paris baguette. Oh, here, maybe this is, cash is okay? All right, thanks, Prius. Oh, and we've got buns, dim sum buns. But normally, a lot of them, unless they're like desserty, they're meat-based, so. Hainanese chicken rice. You're in between, you will eat it if you must. Okay. Original is like fish soup. Oh, it's a fish soup, but yeah, don't want fish soup. Who likes fish soup in chat? I think that is the best. I don't know, something about those noodle mushroom looks really good. It looks really good, yeah. All right, so let's stand in line before it gets longer. I feel bad leaving Kiara there, but $7.80 for mushroom. I wonder how big the portion is. not every mushroom is made the same. Like some mushrooms have a better consistency than others.
Do those look like meat?
They probably do. I wonder, maybe I can ask what's vegetarian. It's small